Pratisha Rawal. I study in class 7B in Kalka Public School. Today is Endangered Species Day. And on this occasion, I would like to share some information about one of the endangered species of plant, which is red sandalwood or Pterocarpus centennialis. India, the home of Ayurveda, was once considered the epicenter of herbal bounty. According to legends, it grew the Sanjeevani, the herb which could cure all ailments and counter all poisons. Traditionally, India's flora has been one of the richest among all the globe. This can be attributed to the sheer range of soil, climatic conditions, topography and ecology present in the nation. Sadly, India is no longer the paradise where thousands of species of flora and fauna flourished. Near about 28% of plants found in India are endemic to the country. This means if these plants are not protected and preserved by our own efforts, they will go permanently out of existence from the world. Pterocarpus centennialis, with the common names red sandalwood, Rakta Chandan and Saunders wood, is a species of Pterocarpus endemic to the southern Eastern Ghats mountain range of southern India. This tree is valued for the rich red color of its wood. The wood is not aromatic. Pterocarpus centennialis is a light demanding small tree growing to 8 meter tall with a trunk 50 to 150 centimeter diameter. It is fast growing when young, reaching 5 meter tall in 3 years, even on degraded soils. It is not frost tolerant, being killed by temperature of -1 degree Celsius. The leaves are alternate 3 to 9 centimeter long, trifoliate with 3 leaflets. The flowers are produced in short racemes. The fruit is a pod 6 to 9 centimeter long containing 1 or 2 seeds. In India, sandalwood is one main and lucrative market for smugglers, as a high price is paid for this wood in China. Since the exporting of sandalwood is illegal in India, the underground market is growing and there are a number of arrested every year of those trying to smuggle this wood in China. Red sandalwood has been used for making the bridge and also the neck of Japanese musical instrument shamisen. It has great demand for using hardwood. Pterocarpus centennialis is used in traditional herbal medicines as a antipyretic, anti-inflammatory, anthelmintic, tonic, hemorrhagic, dysentery, aphrodisiac, and diaphoretic. Pterocarpus centennialis was listed as the endangered species by the IUCN because of overexploitation for its timber in South India. However, it was later reclassified to near threat in 2018 as the scale of this loss is not properly known. It is also listed in Appendix 2 of the CITES, which means that the certificate is required in order to export it. That should only be granted if the trade is not detrimental to the survival of the species. You all like the information. Thank you.